Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's a fresh new Thursday here in the US, and every Monday and Friday, like me and my project mentor, Professor, uh-uh, we meet and regularly catch up on the touch base, like क्या चल रहा है project में, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. But like this Monday, I was out of town, right? I was in Florida, so like I had told her in advance. So she was like, okay, then let's meet on Thursday. That is which is today, and then again Monday or Friday we are gonna meet. Crazy, it's always good to meet her and discuss, and I guess it's high time for me to start working on the project seriously. I like still I have time till August, but I'm planning to finish in till the end of June because I have to then do further things as well. You'll see that everything in the vlog. If it happens, then I might need to travel again for this project purpose. So I want that because I love travel, I love projects, right? So let's see. I stayed up last night, although I was sleepy because I had woke up at 5 a.m. last day. But like, cause इतना घूमना फिरना हो रहा है कि like बैठने का time नहीं मिलता कभी कभी. And then you have to adjust according to the conditions. If I have to enjoy, go out, then there are times where I have to sit and work on myself, project, courses. I also finished one course yesterday. I don't show all that part in the vlog because vlog is for fun purpose. And yeah, रात को like खाने के बाद I don't shoot anything because it's my like sit down, relax, upgrade yourself. So that's good. So let's go. Just now she texted like she's gonna be late by 15 minutes. I was like, okay, I'll go. I'll set up. I have to present things to her. It's gonna be good. And then I have shifts. You'll see that everything. I go back. I'll talk about that. And class is underground. See how cool our class is. जाते ही lights on हो जाएंगी. Sensor lights है सब. Crazy. This is my place today. Also, I don't know if I have mentioned this or not, but like this is private one-on-one classes going on. Like I have reached that stage of a master's. Like I get 1 hour privately with my professor to discuss about the projects and to do future developments. So it's good. Somebody's dedicating their full an hour, so it's worth to like you have to work hard and then present things cause like somebody's putting efforts on you, right? Crazy. The meeting was about project का we just discussed for 30 minutes and then बाकी का 1.5 घंटा. Meeting was for 1 hour but we extended 2 hours because we got in conversation. I was just asking how was her journey because she is also an international student. I thought she was always from US, but no, she's from Europe. And then how she ended up as a professor, and then she was like giving me introductions to some of his students who are working. So it was good, and it was really, she really motivated me for doing a lot of things. She was like, be open-minded and then try different things, don't be stagnant. I was like, yeah, but like she was like, keep your horizon open. So felt good. बहुत टाइम के बाद एक ऐसा एक अच्छा cyber related motivational talk मिला है. So a lot of things to work on. चलो let's go home, eat cause I have to go to shift. Oh my god, shift से याद आया. We had in this important meeting tomorrow, but like we have summer camp. So I told my new manager, then she told to Sam emailed to this professor emailed to the OIS thing. The OIS guy was like, I owe a favor to Sam, so I will talk to Sam. But I guess they are gonna cancel that meet just because I am not available at that time. Crazy, 11 to 7 I'm working. And like there are summer camps, right? And we are short on lifeguards. And there are 50 kids, so we cannot cancel any such event just for me. So crazy. एक की availability के लिए 4 जन मेल खिल रहे. So it never expected these things would happen. But yeah, so I have to go to talk to Sam to let her know what's going on ground. Crazy. मस्त हवा आ रही है भाई. Good weather it is to be a good weather. चलो, let's have lunch. Dal chawal. This is the best lunch. After an hour, I guess. एक तो प्रोफेसर के साथ मीट एक्सटेंड हो गया. Then I came home, ate food, was on call with my parents, and then a lot of friends were reaching out today, but like I was constantly hopping from one call to other. In that process, I was not able to reply to some of them. And like people do see right every day I post vlog, every day I'm on Instagram for like uploading. I've stopped using Instagram for consuming. I'm just using it for creating content. Because like time ही नहीं है. Recently, and with the talks with I had Maria ma'am, I need to get serious about some things, right? So और time कम मिलने वाला है. So उसमें फिर लोगों को लगता है कि like he is not reaching out or anything, he is not replying back, he is online. Priorities change, guys. Crazy. My parents are like, you are looking exhausted. Because I constantly am hopping from one call to other, right? And you have to change yourself in a way that to whom you are talking with. So आपको समझ रहा है कि like I am different. I have different personality in front of my parents. I have different personality in front of my cousins. I have different personality in front of my friends. So constantly you have to perform. You have to act. You can say not act, but like in a certain way you can get right. So things can go a little bit crazy. And then my manager said 10 मिनट जल्दी आ जा. तो I have to run there. उसमें vlog भी करना है, सब कुछ करना है. My like I have too much on my plate these days, but everything's good. I have one business meet again tonight. It's been like रोज हो रहा है, but it's good. I've been learning a lot of things in that side as well. Like this complete all-round development going on, growth going on, applications are going on. I have to edit today's vlog. मेरे को time नहीं मिला है. I just sleep, I get up and then पूरा दिन phone, laptop. Like screen time is too much. That's why I've started swimming. आज भी मैं swim करूँगा 6 बजे के बाद. मेरा 6 बजे ख़त्म हो जा रहा है. थोड़ा तो physical activity हो रही है. So चलो, let's go. It's just editing Florida के vlog and oh my god क्या चुम्मा vlogs बने. I am just rendering everything in 4K cause I want it to be special, right? Crazy. And अभी मैं अंदर से बाहर से अंदर यही चल रहा है भाई. I have to apply sunscreen. काला हो जाऊँगा. Man, there's nobody in the pool. Good. चलो done with the shift and plan में थोड़ा change है. Plan was to do swimming after that, but I was like, I'm damn hungry because there were a lot of people in the pool and me being me, I started talking to them. So some of them were from Michigan, some of them from Chicago, Ohio. So it was a good conversation and then it got exhausted. Like it exhausted me, you can say. I was like, let's go home, let's eat because I'm damn hungry. That's the whole story, right? And oh my god, I edited the Florida's vlog. Still have to edit one vlog, but crazy it turned out to be, you know, right? While editing, I lived that day of mine. Crazy, bhai, maza aa gaya. And then in future, when I'll see that vlogs, oh my god, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. And I myself, I know, right, what were behind the scenes of the vlog, what were the things that I could show. So मुझे पता है. So it like, it can be, क्या बोलते हैं, recollect कर सकता हूँ मैं. And oh my god, crazy. क्या लग रही बादल, प्यार लग रहे. So helicopter. I used to see here, हमेशा यहाँ से देखता था. This is like a पुलिस का helicopter, but like फ्लोरिडा में बैठने के बाद everybody is like, कल मैंने डाला story, I could not resist, मैंने डाल दिया. So the plan was to like vlog जाएगा तभी जाएगी story, but I was like, let's give a glimpse of what I did in Florida. Still people don't know about the second part, which obviously you know now. But yeah, so felt good. Everybody kept asking where it is in St. Louis, how much did you cost it, and oh my god, crazy. I don't share costs on social media, but what do you think, guys? Think I should share the cost? Let's see, you might have seen that in the blog if I've shared or not, but my friends know here, my family know, so it's good. तो उतर तो गया, but अभी एक सीवियर थंडरस्टॉर्म का वार्निंग आया, तो अब जाना खतरे से खाली है नहीं. लेट्स मेक अ कॉल. बट इट्स क्रेजी. हवा आ रही है मस्त ठंडी ठंडी, बारिश आने वाली है. आई हैव टू कैंसिल इट. जुगनू दिख रहे भाई इधर. क्रेजी. धीरे करना, काटना पड़ेगा मेरे को. Indian watermelon. This is
That's India.
this is Indian, bro. The leap of faith in I gave grocery store because अब चाहिए वो चीज़ें चाहिए, right? Things first, tomato, gobi and shimla mirch. This is good. चलो भाई, लीप ऑफ फेथ लेके गए थे. बारिश तो नहीं आई, बट लाइक लाइटनिंग हो रही है, तो अभी शायद आ सकती है बारिश. तो सही टाइम पे आ गए हम लोग. Avidni was there, one of my friend Ankit was also there. सब नीचे मिल गए मस्ती करते करते चले गए. And oh my god, जुगनू देखा हमने Firefly. Crazy. चलो back to basics. रोटी बनाने में एक्सपर्ट हो गई. शिमला मिर्च का भाजी कांदा एंड दही. Crazy. So that is it today guys. I hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा. पसंद है तो लाइक करो, चैनल पे नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब करो. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.